हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम आज थ्योरम 9 देखने वाले हैं। वो है डिवीजन बाय टी, मीन्स डिवाइड को टी आएगा। थ्योरम इज इफ लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एस, देन Laplace transform of f of t divided by f of t divided by t is equal to इंटीग्रेशन s to infinity f of s ds। यहाँ डिवीजन को t है, इसलिए डिवीजन बाय t थ्योरम का नाम है। प्रोवाइड द इंटीग्रल एग्जिट प्रूफ। लेट Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of s. This is given. First we write in theorem given. Then f of s is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. This is the Laplace transform equation. Then integrate this equation with respect to s on both sides. Then integration s to infinity f of s ds here. Then here double integration, this is integration s to infinity ds, and s 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Here is 0 to infinity, so here also write 0 to infinity. Then f of s and t are independent. S and t are independent. Integration s to infinity. Here s and t variable. This is variable. So then integration s to infinity f of s ds is equal to integration 0 to infinity dt. Dt change here, integrations alternate. Then integration s to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Then here integration 0 to infinity f of t dt and integration s to infinity e raised to minus st ds. Here variable is f of t, so f of t and dt are equal, are both integrations derivatives. Then integration 0 to infinity f of t dt, here integration s to infinity, here integration is e raised to minus st divided by t. So limit is s to infinity, so this is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Here is here t is, we write here f of t dt, so don't affect this equation. So integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t divided by t. This is equal to Laplace equal to Laplace transform f of t divided by t. This is Laplace equation. This is also t. So our theorem is proved. This is Laplace transform of f of t divided by t is equal to integration s to infinity f of s ds. Then this theorem पर हम वन एग्जाम्पल लेने वाले, वो है लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ टू रूट ऑफ टू, दिस इज रूट ऑफ टी डिवाइडेड बाय पाई इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय पी रेज टू 3 बाय 2. देन प्रूफ लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ 1 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट पाई टी इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन पी रेज टू 1 बाय 2. गिवन we know the theorem before, earlier theorem, that is Laplace transform of f of t divided by t is equal to integration s to infinity f of s ds. We get here this is f of t divided by t, so Laplace transform of here is f of t and remaining t is here t. Okay, so 2 divided by t root of t divided by pi is equal to integration 0 to infinity 1 by x raised to 3 by 2 dx. Here we replace p by x, so x raised to 3 by 2 dx. This is integration we get, we use this integration, that is minus 2 in bracket 1 by x raised to 1 by 2, and limit is p to infinity. So limit, we use this limit, put here p into put here infinity, that is also 0, then in p, that is 2 divided by p raised to 1 by 2, divide by 2 both side, then here 2 cancel, here 2 cancel. So Laplace transform of 1 upon root pi t is equal to 1 by p raised to 1 by 2. This is the proof of our example. This is proof. We prove this example. So then we give second theorem, that is theorem number 10. Let a function f of t be periodic with period omega, so that f of t plus n omega is equal to f of t for n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then Laplace transform of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t dt divided by 1 minus e raised to minus s omega. We have to prove this. So proof given, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. This is general form of the Laplace transform. Then this equation we also write summations of n 0 to infinity integrations n omega 2n plus 1 omega e raised to minus st f of t dt. Here change limit, here n omega, first we write 0, so here this is also 0, all terms are 0. Then here we put infinity, so all terms are infinity, so this limit and this limit are also equal. So then omega n is equal to 0 up to infinity integration 0 to omega e raised to s x plus n omega into f of x plus n omega n omega into dx. Here we put t is equal to x plus n omega, here t is equal to x plus omega, t is equal to x plus omega, so our equation become. So then summations of n up to 0 to infinity integration 0 to omega e raised to minus st and e raised to n omega f of t dt. Here we separate this, so e raised to s t into s n omega e raised to s n omega f of x. Here x plus n omega is equal to f of x we put, so here put f of x. Then summations of n is equal to 0 up to infinity e raised to minus x minus n s omega, this is constant, so put throughout integration, so integration 0 to infinity 0 to omega e raised to minus x sx f of x, so f of x, but this is we know 1 plus e raised to minus omega. Here we put n is equal to 0, so this is all terms are 0 e raised to 0, so e raised to 0 is 1. Then we put n is equal to 1, so this is minus 1, that is e raised to minus s omega up to so on. So then integration 0 to omega e raised to minus sx f of x dx. So this but here e raised to minus s omega is greater than less than 1. So we put here 1 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus omega integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x f of x dx. So this is also we write integration 0 to omega e raised to minus x sx f of x divided by 1 minus e raised to minus s omega dx. So we have to prove all Laplace transform of f of t is equal to integration 0 to omega e raised to minus x into f of x divided by 1 minus e raised to minus x omega dx. This is the proof of theorem 10. So then we have to find there one example. This is example of theorem 10. If f of t is equal to t square 0 is less than t is less than 2 and f of t plus 2 is equal to f of t. Find Laplace transform of f of t. So then our solution is evidently f of t is a periodic functions with period omega is equal to, here is omega is equal to 2. So Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus s omega e raised to minus s omega integration 0 to omega e raised to minus s x f of x. So here is omega is 2. So this is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s integration 0 to 2. Here is omega is 2. 0 to 2 e raised to minus x sx. Then f of t is t square. So here variable is dx. So x square dx. So now integration 0 to 2 e raised to minus sx x square dx. This is equal to we use their integration, then e raised to minus sx into here is x square minus x plus 2 in bracket minus x divided by x square minus 1 divided by x cube up to limit 0 to 2. So put here, so this is simplify, then e raised to minus sx in bracket x square divided by 5 कॉमन निकाला है हमने यहाँ e raised to minus sx. So in bracket x square divided by 5 plus 2x divided by s square plus 2 divided by s cube. Here this is s not 5. Okay, limit is 0 to 2. So put here limit, then 2 divided by s cube minus e raised to 2x 4 divided by s plus 2x divided by x square s square plus 2 divided by s cube. So common 2 divided by s square are into in bracket 1 minus e raised to 2 e raised to minus 2s into 1 plus 2x plus 2s plus 2s square. Now first become f of t, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 2 into in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus 2s into 1 plus 2s 1 plus 2s plus 2s square divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s into s cube. This is the values of Laplace transform of f of t. So thank you.